Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off background image for the Safari Start Page on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the Safari web browser icon. Next in here, tap on the tabs button at the bottom corner. And then in here you can tap on the start page if one is already open. Otherwise, you can tap on the add button and this will create a new start page. In here, scroll down and at the bottom here, tap on edit. Next, go down and tap on background image. Tap on that to turn on or turn off background in the start page. Now you can see if I switch off background image, there is no background in the start page. And if I go in here and turn on background, I can also choose a different background and then tap on the close button, and that is how you can change the Safari Start Page background. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.